Hi cuties, how are you? I hope all are fine because we are sitting quietly and we are eating healthy foods in our home. Okay, babies, today shall we start our SST class? Social science is nothing but it just tells about our individual member, our community, or our family members, or our geographical area like our village, our city, our continent, our country. Which is our country? India is our country. Which is our continent? Asia is our continent. How did we know all the details, Ma? How can we see all the informations only by the textbook? No, we have some other features also. Today we are going to discuss about our first lesson. Our first lesson is globes and maps. It just tells about our world around us. Okay? Globe is nothing but it's just looking like a ball. Have you seen this model in our school? Yes, sometimes our higher class sisters and brothers they carried that balls, no? That is a globe. It's just a true representation of a earth shape. Okay, it is a 3D model of our earth. Actually, our original earth is looking like the globe. Okay, that upper side and the bottom side small flat part is there and the remaining it's looking like a ball. Okay, babies, the globe is used to just to tell about our continents, our oceans, our countries, all the exact places. It's just it told about that. Okay, it is very important and it is very used to study the earth and also to locate the places. Are you clear? Globe is nothing but it is a true representation of the earth. It is a 3D model of the earth and it is looking like a ball. And fourth point is the center part of that, the center imaginary line is called equator. Equator only divides our globe into two sphere. The upper hemisphere is called northern hemisphere and south side hemisphere is also divided by the equator. So now you understood very well about globe. Okay, and one more feature is used to know about our world, that is map. Did you hear this word map? Yes. Are you seeing Dora Buji show, Ma? Yeah, it is our favorite show, no? Dora Buji. Dora is such a wonderful explorer. She's always finding something. She's always searching the route. Okay. So for that to find out the route, she used to hold map. She's always carrying map in her bag. Whenever she is calling, whenever we are calling map, automatically the map comes up from the bag and it just to show the route of the particular place. She used to call mountain, hill station, trees, finally Dora's house. That is the way, that is the route to find out Dora's house. Like that, some other places also there. In our real life also, suppose I want to go from our hometown to USA or some other continent or some other country, whatever, sorry, not continent, some other places like countries or any other villages or home also, the map is very helpful to tell the routes. Okay, so map and globe both are used to find out the places, just to show the exact location, but at the same time globe is a 3D model but map is a 2D model. Okay, it's looking like a paper. So discussed in our class today. Our lesson name is globes and maps. Globe is nothing but it's looking like a ball, that is our earth. It is a 3D representation. It is a true representation of our earth. And the second one is we discussed about map. Map is also just used to locate